Hey there, dream builders. So, you want to be an architect? You've probably heard that it takes years to get there, but how long exactly? 5 years? 10 years? Even more? In this video, we're breaking down every step of the journey from high school graduation to becoming a licensed architect. Whether you're just starting out or considering switching careers, I'll help you understand what it really takes to get there. The first step is getting a professional degree in architecture. In most countries, there are two main paths. Path 1, the Bachelor of Architecture. It takes 5 years and covers design, history, structures, and technical skills. This is the fastest route to a professional degree. Path 2, the Master of Architecture. For those with a different undergraduate degree, it involves a 4-year undergraduate degree in architecture or another field, plus 2 to 3 years of grad school. It takes around 6 to 7 years in total. So depending on which path you take, you're looking at anywhere from 5 to 7 years just for education. But earning your degree doesn't make you a licensed architect yet. Next, you need real-world experience. This is where the Architectural Experience Program, or AXP, comes in. AXP requires about 3,740 hours of work experience under a licensed architect, which usually takes 2 to 3 years to complete. This hands-on training is crucial because it bridges the gap between school and professional practice. You'll work on designs, construction documents, and even visit job sites. The more diverse your experience, the better prepared you'll be for the next step, your licensing exams. Now comes one of the hardest parts, passing the Architect Registration Exam, or ARE. This is a series of 6 rigorous exams covering everything from structural systems to building codes. Some people pass all their exams in a year, while others take 3 to 5 years. It all depends on how much time you can dedicate to studying while working full-time. On average, it takes about 2 to 5 years to complete all the exams. So now let's add up all the years so far. Let's break it down. 5 to 7 years for your degree, 2 to 3 years for AXP work experience, and 2 to 5 years for licensing exams. That means the total time to become a licensed architect after high school is at least 7 years if you take the fastest route. But for most people, it's closer to 10 to 12 years. It's a long journey, but it's worth it if architecture is your passion. If you're wondering whether you can become an architect faster, the answer is maybe. Here are a few ways to speed up the process. Do internships during college. This helps you gain AXP hours early. Take the ARE exams while working. Some states allow you to take exams before finishing AXP. Stay disciplined. If you stay focused, you can finish everything in about 7 to 8 years. But remember, becoming a great architect isn't just about speed. It's about gaining the right experience and knowledge. So now you know it takes years of study, experience, and exams to become a licensed architect. But if architecture is your dream, don't let the timeline scare you. Every year is a step closer to building something amazing. What do you think? Does 7 to 12 years sound too long, or is it worth the wait? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more architecture insights. See you in the next video.